Your life is never going to be changed until you change. There is something I want to say you honestly today that I'm not making this video just to upload another video in my YouTube channel. I am making this because I genuinely believe and wish that if someone had explained me this a way back earlier, if I have understood what I am about to share with you today, my life would have changed much sooner. For the almost 3 to 4 years, I was trying to change my life. I was reading, I was planning, I was thinking, and I was learning. But every year I told myself this year I'm going to change. This year I will launch my business. This year will be different. And the year passed and I was still the same person inside. Outside life was moving, but inside same fear, same hesitation, same overthinking and same self-doubt. I was not careless at the moment. I was living my life from the old patterns, from the old myself. And 2025 became very significant for me because for the first time, I didn't try to change my situation. I started changing myself. And I broke many patterns of myself I had carried for the years. The hesitation to show up, the belief that I am not a good communicator, the fear of showing true authentic self version of myself, and habit of shrinking myself. I was doing all this thing from years, and in 2025 I broke this pattern. And something surprising happened that my action changed, my mindset changed, my decisions changed, not because motivation come, because I finally understood how the life changed, not by changing situation, by changing yourself. A lot of understanding came from the Dr. Joe work and also from watching Sabaz Ali content where she explained this practical way very beautifully. But the most important part is that I didn't just listen it, I implemented it and practiced it. And then things start shifting for me. My life didn't change until the day I actually start doing this thing. So while watching this video, I don't want you to just listen, bring pen and paper, pause the video if needed, and write, think, do it along with me because watching alone will not change your life. If you genuinely want 2026 to be different, write in comment I am ready to change so that your mind understand this is as a signal. If this video supports you, do subscribe and like so that it reaches to someone who desperately want to change this life. So there is a first step, you literally change your life and manifest anything you want. So the 4 steps are: set a specific goal, create a new identity, rewire your mind, and daily rehearsing. We are going to discuss step by step all the 4 steps. Now let's begin with the first step. Set a specific goal. This is a very simple step, but sometimes we get confused here. Most of us don't actually choose a goal, we actually choose a feeling. We say, I want a financial freedom, I want better life, I want better health, I want peace. But your brain does not understand the words. Your brain works like a navigation. For example, if you open a Google map and type, somewhere nice, it cannot guide you. It needs an exact location. So your mind works in the same way. So you need to tell yourself what specifically you want. And for example, I want to give you my current goal is I want to generate 10 lakhs rupees per month through my coaching business. And what I did here, I added a number 10 lakh, which is very, very specific. I added a time frame monthly, and I added a source, which is coaching business. Now my brain has instruction. It know that what I am building, where my energy should go. So just write what specifically you want. Now come to the step 2. Create a version of yourself which matches to the goal. What I mean by this, it means that you need to create a new identity which matches to your goal. And your identity is basically made of how do you think, how do you feel, and how do you act. So in order to create the new identity, you need to think, feel, and act differently. You need to think, feel, and act like your new version. So my goal is I want to generate 10 lakhs rupees per month through my coaching business. So if a woman already earning 10 lakhs rupees per month, what will be her thought, action, and belief? This is what I think. So I have write what should be thoughts of mine. We don't realize that we keep thinking thousands of thoughts whole day. Some are positive, some are negative, some are our limiting beliefs. I would like to share my list of thoughts. First thing is, earning 10 lakhs rupees per month is normal and available for me. My work genuinely transform people, so clients are happy to pay premium. I'm not chasing client, I am attracting aligned clients. I focus on impact, and income naturally follows impact. I don't need to convince people, the right people recognize my value. I allow money to come through multiple channels, program, courses, session, and collaboration. I'm comfortable talking about my offers and pricing. I'm a leader, not just a content creator. I show up consistently even before I feel fully ready. Receiving large amount of money feels safe for my nervous system. These all are not just an affirmation. They are mental instruction to your brain. And when I think this way and I feel so comfortable in my body, my energy is going to change. My energy start matching to my goal. Now pause the video and write what thought you want to think so it matches to your goal. You can write as many thoughts as you want, but I would say write 10 to 15 thoughts for your goal. And these thoughts now I'm thinking very actively, not passively. And after you write all the thoughts, next thing which come is belief, that what belief you need to believe. Even when you change your thoughts, sometimes your behavior still do not change. You feel something inside, this is not right. Thoughts are what you say to your mind, and beliefs are what you actually feel inside your body. And your identity is basically a collection of the beliefs you have repeated for the year. So to create a new version of myself, I change my belief which matches to my goal. So my list are, I am not becoming a coach, I am a professional coach. I don't need to be perfect to help someone. I am capable of holding people's transformation. Money is an exchange of transformation, not proof of my worth. Charging premium is the respect of my energy, time, and expertise. The more I help, the more I earn. Selling is service. Being visible is responsibility, not showing off. If I hide, people who need help cannot find me. So I want all of you to write your belief which supports your goal. You can write as many beliefs as you want. The third thing you need to do is action. Your new version should be appear in your behavior, otherwise your brain does not believe it. So you have created a list of new thoughts and new belief, but your action do not match to it. If your action is matches to old identity, your brain reject this new thoughts and new belief. So I have list of action I'm showing here. Record and publish one YouTube video every week. This is I'm already doing. Post 3 Instagram reel every week. This is I'm also doing. Share 3 to 4 Instagram story daily. This is I have started. Reply to all comments. Reply to message within 24 hours. Start conversation with new people regularly. I'm going to do it. 2 hours daily to learn new things or create my course, which is I'm already doing it. So you can start small thing. You don't need to do 4 to 5 action. Many of them I'm already doing in this thing. You can start even with 1 or 2 actions, but do it consistently, because your brain understand the language of consistency. When you do it consistently, repeatedly, your brain accept this new thought and new idea and new belief. Just show up regularly even you are imperfect. Now write what action you need to take to achieve your goal. So now we have everything. We have a goal. We have a list of thought we want to think. We have a belief we want to carry, and we have the actions we are going to take. But the real question is that how do we actually embody all this in our mind and body? How can we insert all this new thoughts, new belief, so that we can take this new action? Because our nervous system is trained to think, feel, and behave the old identity. We take action on the behalf of how do we think and feel. So to embody this new thought belief, we need to rewire our mind. And there are so many ways you can rewire your mind, but here I am showing you the simplest way by which you can rewire your mind. There are many ways to rewire your mind, but I am showing you the most easiest way in which you can rewire your mind. Record your future self voice. Open your phone recorder and speak your new thought beliefs in your own voice. What you need to do is just record it and listen to this every single morning once you wake up. Even in your half sleep, you just open your phone and just listen to this, and 5 minutes visualize your goal at night and then sleep. And if you do it consistently, your mind and body will start accepting this new thought beliefs and you start taking the new action. Now the last step is daily rehearsal. What I mean by daily rehearsal, our mind makes a strong neural connection when we repeat something. For example, you don't need to think about how to brush your teeth because you have done it so many times. You just woke up and you are going to brush your teeth without thinking about it. The same way, if you want to embody this new thought, new version of yourself, you need to do it on a regular basis so that it feels very automatic in your body. It feels very natural in your body. So I have a list of things for daily rehearsal. The first thing is meditation and journaling. Listen to my recorded thoughts and belief, visualize for the 5 minutes, follow my action plan, and show up even it's imperfect. So write what daily rehearsal you are going to do to become the new version of yourself. This is the thing I keep repeating on a daily basis so that I feel familiar to this new thoughts, new belief, and new version of myself. Once you become that new version, you start vibrating on a different energy. And as your energy is shifting, everything in your outside world is going to be changed. And if you really want things to change, don't wait for the right time. Right move, start today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.